softly falling snow that dances in the early morning light. And the guitar right before me, strumming a beautiful sound. Watching it coming down all around, on the fields and farms and the road to town. I'm thinking of a letter that I'm writing in my head. A Christmas card to all the folks I love. Instead of letting the folks and bring it, I decided I would sing it, especially for you, for you. To you and all your family, your neighbors and your friends, may all your days be happy with the joy that never ends. May peace and love surround you at Christmas time and all the whole year through. May God be filled with sunshine, and may every wish come true. May you find the sweet fulfillment in everything you do. May your days be blessed with the very best from now and the whole year through. It says so in my Christmas card to you and all your family, your neighbors and your friends. May all your days be happy with the joy that never ends. May peace and love surround you at Christmas time and all the whole year through. At Christmas time and all the whole year through.
Single flirt.
But sentence here we're in a hurry.
So climb down the chimney, turn on the brightest string of lights I've ever seen. Slice up the fruitcake. It's time we hung some tinsel on every bough. For I've grown a little leaner, grown a little colder, grown a little sadder, grown a little older, and I need a little angel sitting on my shoulder. I need a little Christmas, need a little Christmas now. La 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 la. Need a little laughter, need a little singing, ringing through the rafter, and we need a little happy, happy ever after. Need a little Christmas, need a
If I wrote a letter to Santa Claus, I would ask for just one thing. I don't need sleigh rides in the snow. I don't want a Christmas that's blue. Take down the tinsel, the stockings and bows, 'cause all I want for Christmas is you. I don't need expensive things, they don't matter to me. All that I want, it can't be found underneath the Christmas tree. You are the angel atop my tree. You are my dream come true. Santa can't bring me what I need, 'cause all I want for Christmas is you. I don't need expensive things, well, they don't matter to me. All I want, it can't be found underneath the Christmas tree. You are the angel atop my tree. You are my dream come true. Santa can't bring me what I need, 'cause all I want for Christmas is you. All I want for Christmas is you. All I want for Christmas is you. Happy holidays, everybody.
So the winter and the holidays, for that matter, are really upon us now that we've had our first taste of the winter precipitation. The weather might be frightful, but we have the fire's glow. So when we finish our Christmas shopping and attending holiday shows like this, we will have no place to go. So we can sit by the fire, enjoy the hot chocolate or the hot toddies. And I say, I agree with Ella Fitzgerald and our tap dancers, let it snow.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, oh, I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is the new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no, man, but you can do the job when you're in town. Later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid the plans that we've made, walking in a winter wonderland. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is the new bird. He's singing a song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he's a circus clown. We'll have lots of fun with Mr. Snowman until the other kiddies knock him down. When it snows, ain't it thrilling? Though your nose gets the chillin', we'll frolic and play the Eskimo way, walking in a winter wonderland. We'll frolic and play the Eskimo way, walking in a winter wonderland. In the bleak midwinter, frosty wind may moan. Earth's as hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow had fallen, snow, snow, snow on snow. In the bleak midwinter, long, long ago. Angels, angels, they have gathered yet. Cherubim and seraphim from the air. But his mother only in her maiden place O come, Emmanuel, and ransom captive Israel that mourns in lonely exile here until the Son of God appear. O come thou rod of Jesse free, thine own from Satan's tyranny, from depths of hell thy people save, and give them victory o'er the grave. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Ooh, ooh. O come thou day, spring come and cheer our spirits by thine advent here. Disperse the gloomy clouds of night and death's dark shadows put to flight. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel shall come to thee, O Israel. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Peaceful sometimes, but also lonely when those you love are not here with you. Gordon Lightfoot put this feeling into words, and MC, Doreen, and Megan put it into motion with Sarah McLachlan's rendition of Song for a Winter's Night.
The lamp is burning low upon my tabletop. Snow is softly falling. The air is still in the silence of my room. I hear your voice softly calling. If I could only have you near to breathe a sigh or two, I would be happy just to hold the hands I love on this winter's night with you. One small child in a land of 1,000, one small dream of a Savior tonight, one small hand reaching up to the starlight, one small Savior of life. One king bringing his gold and riches, one king ruling an army of might, one king kneeling with incense and candlelight, one king bringing us life, Lord. See him lying a cradle beneath him, see him smiling in the stall, see his mother praising his father, see his tiny eyelids fall. One small light from the flame of a candle, one small light from a city of might, one small light from the stars in the endless night, one small light from his face. See the shepherds near of a Savior tonight. One small hand reaching out to the starlight. One small Savior of one small Savior of one small Savior of love.
Still, 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 one can hear the falling snow. All is hushed, the world is sleeping. Holy star, its vigil keeping. Still, 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 one can hear the falling snow. Oh, little town of Bethlehem, how still, still thy deep and dreamless sleep. The silent stars so high. Yet in thy dark street shineth the everlasting light. The hopes and fears of all the years are met in thee tonight. Sleep, 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 'tis the eve of our Savior's birth. The night is peaceful all around you. Close your eyes, let sleep surround you. Sleep, 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 'tis the eve of our Savior's birth. Still, 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 is so still in Bethlehem. Do you remember me? I sat upon your knee. I wrote to you with childhood fantasies. Well, I'm all grown up now and still need help somehow. Not for myself, but for the world in need. So here's my lifelong wish, my grown-up Christmas list. Not for myself, but for the world in need. No more lives torn apart, and wars would never start, and time would heal all
safely wrapped beneath our tree. But heaven surely knows that packages and bows can never heal a hurting human soul. No more lives torn apart, and wars would never start, and time would heal our hearts, and everyone would have a friend, and right would always win, and love would never end. Oh, this is my grown-up Christmas list. What is this illusion called? The innocence of youth. Maybe only in our blind belief can we ever find the truth. No more lives torn apart, and wars would never start, and time would heal our hearts, and everyone would have a friend, and right would always win, and love would never end. Oh, this is my grown-up Christmas list. This is my only lifelong wish. This is my grown-up Christmas list.
Well, look at there.
are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you? Why have you gone away? Where is the laughter you used to bring me? Why can't I hear music play? My world is changing, I'm rearranging. Does that mean Christmas changes too? Oh, where are you, Christmas? Do you remember the one you used to know? I'm not the same one. See what the time's done. Is that why you have let me go? Christmas is here everywhere. Christmas is here if you can. If there is love in your heart and your mind, you will feel like Christmas all the time. Oh, I feel you, Christmas. I know I found you. You never fade away. Oh, the joy of Christmas stays here inside us, fills each and every heart with love. Where are you, Christmas? Fill your heart with love.
Here, leading the way home for the holidays, is our tapping trio of Doreen, Megan, and Jeannie.
Oh, there's no place like home for the holidays. For no matter how far away you roam, if you want to be happy in a million ways, for the holidays you can't be home sweet home. I met a man who lives in Tennessee, and he was heading for Pennsylvania and some homemade pumpkin pie. From Pennsylvania, folks are traveling down to Dixie's sunny shores. From Atlantic to Pacific, gee, the traffic is terrific. Oh, there's no place like home for the holidays. For no matter how far away you roam, if you want to be happy in a million ways, for the holidays you can be home, sweet home, sweet home. Well, there's no place like home for the holidays. For no matter how far away you roam, if you want to be happy in a million ways, for the holidays you can be home, sweet home. For the holidays you can be home, sweet home.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 to 102. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Of our next song. But tonight, our jazz ladies take us to New Orleans with Michael Bublé's rendition and recording of Elvis's Blue Christmas.
I'll have a blue Christmas
mine. Run, run, Rudolph, pray don't leave your car behind. Run, run, Rudolph, Santa's gonna make it to town. Santa, make him hurry, tell him he can take the freeway down. Run, run, Rudolph, and rhythm like a merry-go-round. Say Santa to a boy child, what have you been longing for? All I want for Christmas is a rock and roll electric guitar. And then away went Rudolph, whizzing like a shooting star. Run, run, Rudolph, Santa's got to make it to town. Santa, make him hurry, tell him he can take the freeway down. Run, run, Rudolph, 'cause I'm really like a merry-go-round. Baby doll that can cry till you drink it wet. And then away went Rudolph, whizzing like a saber jet. Run, run, Rudolph, Santa's gonna make it to town. Santa, make him hurry, tell him he can take the freeway down. Run, run, Rudolph, and win like a merry-go-round. Run, run, Rudolph. Run, run, Rudolph. Run, run, Rudolph.